Hey guys, sorry for a little bit of the mess, but I got one YouTube unboxing here and another YouTube unboxing here. What? Yep, you guessed it. We're gonna be unboxing this one on this episode and that one on that episode. Super cool. So let's get with the unboxing, shall we? Because on today's unboxing, we're going to be unboxing the KRUPS Smart and Light Tea Kettle. It's like an electric teapot, like the one that I unboxed on one of my, maybe I would say last year episodes. Yeah, it must have been last year, which is that one right there. And it didn't work that well. It kind of like was defective or something. I got that one at Sears's website. Sears doesn't exist anymore. It's the store. So I got this one in Walmart. It's They had the $24 ones. They had the $20 ones. They had the Hampton Beach. I saw this one for $49 and never heard of it. It reminded me of a Keurig maker like what I have here. So anyways, it has it's all digital. I don't know if you can tell. I don't know if you can tell, but it has the digital meter there and everything. Supposedly it says it's supposed to be for boiling water only, but it says it's good for teas and coffees and lattes and things like that. And I'm like, okay. And it's also good for a French press, is what it says. So I'm just like be baffled and confused, but whatever. So it's the perfect temperature for your teas. It has a button on the top because I already saw someone's review already, so I already know what the stuff does and everything. So it has the button on top here and the handle, and it also has the release button on the top handle too, and another button which with the button you scroll through the Fahrenheits there, and then the bottom is the plastic base that connects to the electricity, and then there's a feature that allows you to keep the water in here or the tea or whatever you have in here at at hot heat temperature. So whenever you come back to pouring more, it's gonna be hot and not room temperature or cold. And here it says on the back of the box is all the features. It has auto off, which is automatically shuts off the machine. Oh yeah, and this machine it beeps when the water's completely boiled to the Fahrenheit you want. So it also has one touch lid opening, easy temperature section, easy to fill kettle with smart display that goes dark on standby mode. It's a 360 rotation base, double wall insulated, keeps water hot longer, and oh, smart temperature for tea and coffee. Premium stainless steel for pure flavors. That's right, no plastic. So plastic people say is bad to drink. I don't know. Anyways, it's premium stainless steel and it's double wall cool touch exterior. So when you touch it on the outside, it's not boiling hot. As opposed to the one I had there. The one that I had there was glass and it would get hot. And that was one of the reasons why I didn't like it. Other than that, it just broke. It just stopped working one day. It wouldn't turn on anymore. And I was like, damn it. Anyways, let's unbox it and see what it brings, shall we? Yay. And here we get the handy dandy manual. Your typical manual. And oh, over here, this is the base. This is the base for the thing. Wow, this is the first time I see this. Really strange, but okay. It has a cable strap on the wall plug thing through the holes. I've never seen that before. Really, has anyone ever seen this before? I don't think so. And moving on. Registration card, which nobody really fills these out anymore and sends them. Everyone does it online because it's faster. And it's, I don't know, it doesn't say warranty, it says guarantee. It's an international guarantee. I'm not really sure, I guess. Oh, by the way, this company's from Japan, if I'm not mistaken. And here it is in all its glory. Hey, I think the handle's steel too. No, I was wrong. It's plastic. So here are the buttons. The boil button is here. And this would be the choosing the Fahrenheit. When you choose your Fahrenheit and you get to the Fahrenheit you want, then you press the boil button. And then you hold the Fahrenheit button for like 3 seconds or 5. And the thing will beep or something letting you know that it's gonna keep your drink hot. And then that's it. You just open it up like that. Voila. Let me show you again. Ching. Oh, let me show you inside. I haven't even seen inside. Oh, wow. Wow. Interesting. I like that. And here's the bottom part. Oh, wow. There's a filter. There's a filter thingy right in here. Like little filter hole thingies. That's pretty cool. I believe this thing comes with a white filter that goes here, if I'm not mistaken. I would have to check that out. And, nope. No filter at all. Oh yeah, by the way, for all you people that like this type of stuff, here you go. A nice beautiful peel just for you. Sticker. And well guys, that was the unboxing. of the KRUPS Smart and Light Electric Teapot. Thanks for watching. And of course, you know what the next episode's gonna be. That's right. I have a box here. It says lunchbox. I was at the